Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 709 Main Street in Bolton, Massachusetts. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the 2nd floor. This is a duplex unit or a duplex property. So there's 2 units in the whole building. And this one is the entire upper floor. And starting out here, there's the stairway that comes in. So this is a freshly painted stairway. New stair grips installed as well, and freshly painted hallway. So as you can see, the entire hallway has just been painted, and you also have nice fixtures in here as well, nice lighting, and everything is working nicely. You also have the window over there which lets in light, and then coming through here. Oh, also the pictures of the exterior will be on with the listing, and that comes in through the driveway. And here's the apartment at 709 Main Street inside the unit. So we're just gonna go through and try to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place, and also highlight some of the things that this apartment has to offer. So you come through here, you have the nice finishes everywhere. The entire apartment has been deep cleaned. That includes all the appliances and inside the cabinets. And you have a very nice finish on everything. There's also fresh paint on areas throughout the unit. As you can see when you go through, you have the nice electric stove. It's a 5-top electric stove, and there's an accordion wooden door closet with some nice LED lights that works with the switch on the wall. Very responsive, and it's a very nice job with cleaning for sure. And you have these stainless steel fridge as well, in great condition, Frigidaire brand. Then coming over here, this is the bathroom for the apartment. So as you can see, everything is also very clean in here. Nice finishes, white finishes, all matching. Pretty much spotless tub. Could even be. It looks like a new glaze, even if it's not. It's in that good of a condition, 10 out of 10 condition. Looking around at the trim over here, that looks great as well. I believe it's freshly painted, and there's a nice window to prevent a lot of that moisture in bathrooms and everything. There's also a medicine cabinet over here. You can kind of see. It's just a little bit more storage inside the bathroom. And the vanity mirror with the light as well. Then coming back through here, this is the living room. So this is kind of the hub to the other 2 halves of the apartment. You would just go through here. And it has very nice open space. You can also see that this has 3 almost floor to ceiling mirrors, so it lets in a lot of light throughout the day. We're getting the afternoon right now, and we still have a lot of natural light inside the apartment. And everything looks great in here. The paint, great condition. Just going through, you have this nice pull string light in the middle. Baseboard heating also throughout the apartment. And double check on the listing for more information about the utilities. Then you have this bedroom. So this is the smaller out of the 2 bedrooms. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath. Nice wood trim going throughout. It has this nice accent here with the natural wood, actual natural wood planking. And then it has this door which goes out to the backyard, and then pictures of the backyard and exterior are going to be on the listing as well. And this room is a good size. It's at least big enough for like a queen size bed plus maybe a desk or a dresser. And then gonna come back through here to this hallway. It goes to the other bedroom. Right over here, it's got this other bedroom here. It's got a fireplace, but it's not active. But this is very spacious. It's probably double the size of the other room. And the closets, extend into the wall, which is good. Got the nice baseboards, which match the accent color of the wall. You You have the closet in there as well. And you have the same floor to ceiling mirrors as you do in the living room pretty much. It's almost as big as the large living room, and then that also tells you something about how big the living room is. So it's a very spacious apartment. If you're looking for a nice clean place around Bolton, Massachusetts, is a very nice offering here. If you have any questions about this or any other listings, you can go to nexuswor.com, go to our for rent page, our vacancies page, and reach out to a leasing agent today. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.